Xavier. I'm Albert. I'm Keen. I'm important. We are the AI Scarecrow. 我代表機械人學院嚟到美國底特律參加 Mobile Fest 機械人大賽，我哋而家入去啦 ，Go！ We are from Hong Kong. Okay, thank you.
Your team Hong Kong, huh?
Yes. 那这个是什么？这是什么？
使用时光机倒转时。
I saw the other video
Because everybody wants to see, right?
It was like a race ball.
Hi, I'm important. I make the sensor on the farm animal. It's like a cycle. The fish in the tank produces waste.一連兩日嘅比賽，好多世界各地嘅隊伍都嚟參加，唯有盡力發揮啦。
First prize goes to 3350-1.今次香港機械人學院嘅同學喺美國勞倫斯理工大學 Mobile Fest 全球國際機械人大賽，代表香港勇奪5項世界第一，真係恭喜晒啊！